hope you're well and welcome back to another cleaning video. What can I say? I have not done one of these over on my channel in such a long time, and I'm going to do a little bit of a video upcoming soon and just giving you a little bit of an explanation as to what the hell has been going on around here. But for anyone that hasn't seen recently, I am now pregnant with our third baby and we are all very, very excited. And today I thought I'm going to do a cleaning video because I have a lot of stuff to tackle in my house. So this was meant to be more of a tackle my to-do list video and ended up being an all-day clean with me. I mean, look at the state of these chairs for starters. They are horrific. So these were one of the things that are on my list along with my bar stools. But I thought, you know what, I'm not going to get both of them wet at the same time. And I had so much other stuff and I didn't realise. First of all, I think I completely forgot how long a cleaning video actually took me. And how long cleaning takes. Second of all, I decided to tackle the chairs first, one of the longest things to do, and I was so hot. But third of all, I underestimated how hard filming a cleaning video would be whilst quite pregnant. And I mean, this outfit that I'm wearing is doing me no justice right now on how big that bump is. It's hiding a multitude of sins because that bump has a lot going on underneath there, and I'm quite far along now into my pregnancy. But I hope you are all well and excited to get some cleaning motivation today. We are tackling laundry, we are tackling bathrooms, we are tackling the kitchen, and boy, did it need a good old clean, because none of it's really been done properly to my standard, I would say. It's been like maintained, but there's not been really a deep clean in certain areas, including these chairs, which have not been done for ages. So these are the first things I tackled with our Bissell. I will leave this link below. We've had this since a couple of properties ago. We have moved. I don't even think I filmed a cleaning video in our old house because our lights would flicker. The spotlights would flicker that we had all around, and it wouldn't allow the lighting to be any good. And also, it just wasn't a very big house. It was impossible to get the camera set up for angles and things like that. But yes, I don't even think I filmed a cleaning video in that house. So I haven't filmed in a while, but this Bissell I love. But I'd run out of the liquid the solution that needs to go inside it, and so I had to use a clothes remover stain thing, which then started foaming up. It all went a bit wrong, but either way, my chairs looked amazing.
Everything feels so abstract, yeah, it's complicated. What you say, the way you act, well, it makes me so confused. I don't know what to do anymore. Just make up your mind. My heart drops when you play around. How can you be up when I'm down?
I also wanted to say how I always get so many questions on Instagram and things like that about our kitchen table. We actually made this ourselves, which I absolutely love. Last year we basically had no kitchen table. We moved right before Christmas. Obviously the big C had affected everything, and I don't mean the big C when I say Christmas, I mean the other one. And obviously it meant that delay times were so far behind, and we actually made this ourselves. So me and Adam are super proud of it. We actually really love it. And if we'd gone to buy the equivalent one, which I did have in stock and I had on order until it got pushed back by weeks and weeks, so it meant we'd have nothing for Christmas, we would never have made it, and we saved ourselves about half the price. I think these retail around £600-700, and we managed to do it ourselves for around 300. So I am super chuffed. I'm also now cleaning out the bins as well, and for any long-term subscribers, you know I hate a bin. I really do. I can't stand them. I just feel like they're germ catchers and they hold germs and they smell, and I just like to empty our bins quite frequently. However, one thing that you will notice in this house is we have no handles on any of our cupboards. They're all low down, and I don't know whether any of you guys have spotted my little shadow following me around, but we also now have a dog. This is our little Wally, and he loves to, I didn't actually realise how much he followed me around until I was watching this cleaning video back, but he is everywhere with me. We are having like a little dance at one point as well, but he follows me everywhere, and one of the things that he likes to do is eat the bottom of plastic bags and just let your rubbish fall out everywhere. So we had to invest in a bin, which is not my favourite thing to do, but we have it. But lo and behold, this day I'd actually run out of black bags. I now have some, but I couldn't even fill up the bin properly.
But I can read between the lines, even if I can't deny
I don't know if you've gathered by now, but this is quite a chatty cleaning video today. There is obviously some music to keep you motivated, but I wanted all the motivation. But I just felt like we needed to catch up, and there's so much that's to be said. But what I'm showing you now is the bottom of a bowl that's very, very dirty. And no matter how much I put this dishwasher on, I don't know what's going on with it. We've added salt, rinse aid, all sorts, and nothing seems to fix the fact that our dishes consistently come out dirty. So if anyone has any tricks for me as to what I can do, it's been on a deep clean cycle. It's had all the things that you would think would fix a dirty dishwasher, and nothing seems to be helping. Our water is very, very hard around where we are right now, but I don't know what to do. I'm at a loose end. So yeah, I would really appreciate your help.
How it hurts to see you smile like a dagger in me. She just seems so juvenile. I just want it to be me. I wanna set your world on fire. Oh, you're so sure I'll stick around. Oh, my heart drops when you play around. How can you be up when I'm done? Don't wanna think about it right now. Maybe you just wanna be friends, but there's a fight when we are talking. Maybe you just wanna pretend, but I can read between the lines. Even if I can't deny that all the things you said are hurting, still wanna be with you. I think you want it too. 'Cause baby, I don't wanna play. Baby, I don't wanna play. Oh, even if I can't deny that all the things you said are hurting, still wanna be with you. I think you want it too. 'Cause baby, I don't wanna play. No, baby, I don't wanna play. No, baby, I don't wanna play. Baby, I don't wanna play.
I'm also using this spray and I absolutely hate it. I picked up this spray the other day. It's just a bleach citrusy spray, but I didn't realise it was a foam one and it had so much bleach in it. And I thought, oh no, this would be great for like getting rid of germs. And there wasn't really anything else on the shelves at the time, and I absolutely hate it. So I will be going back to my good old trusty method because it's one of my favourites. But I'm also sharing with you now my new diffuser I picked up. So anyone that follows me over on Instagram will know I'm a hardcore die-hard fan of my neon scent and oil diffusers. They honestly are like next level essential oils. I have used normal essential oils like lavender, peppermint, and all the plain ones that you can use, but the way that these scents are blended are insane. But I've only got a couple in at the moment. I've got a sleep one and I've got this distress one in, and so I popped this on in the kitchen with my new essential oil diffuser that I picked up for the kitchen, just so that I had this on, and it was de-stressing me from how much I had to have done today, and I could see like the school run time slowly begin to tick down. So I needed calming, but I'm definitely going to pick up some more scents. And then I was giving the sink a good clean because boy did this need it as well. It was so dirty, and I've not had a stainless steel sink in years, like absolutely years, and I'm not a big fan of them. I'm not a big fan of the marks and the watermarks that they leave and just how they clean up. I loved my white sink that I had when we lived back in Devon. We're now back in Kent for anyone that hasn't followed up and caught up with where we are, but I absolutely loved my old white sink and I could always keep it clean and on top of it, but now I'm back to stainless steel and I'm just not a fan. Not only that, but this tap, anyone that knows me, I don't know if you've got any tips or tricks, but I need my extendable tap thing, and this one's gone very wonky for starters. It's come very, very loose, so I don't know how to fix it to stop it from turning, but also I have no way of attaching an extender to it, so I'm absolutely gutted because I don't seem to be able to clean the sink, and there's no half sink in this sink. Oh, all the sink problems going on right now. But I gave this a clean, and you guys will know if you followed me that a magic eraser is my friend. Look how dirty this was, and a couple of wipes of a magic eraser, look how clean that half was. So this is like my major hack, and I actually have done a magic eraser hacks video on all the things that you can clean with magic erasers. So if you do want to see that, I will leave that link below or above for you, so you can go and check that out as well, along with all of my pregnancy content I've uploaded so far. And we will be sharing the gender of our baby very soon. We do actually know this now. I'm so excited to share that. But yeah, I'm going to carry on cleaning and let you enjoy some cleaning motivation.
They led me to you. Every single time you look at me, I lose it too. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go and waste another day. Mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay. If I make it home tonight, may I hold you one last time? Let me hold you one last time. What if it's too late for me now? What if you gone to someone else, so we can never be the same? How can
I can't believe I just ended that with, yeah, we're going to do some cleaning motivation, and then all you see is me making some lunch manically before the school run and then measuring up. But I grabbed these lights. I wanted to let you know about them. We have no under-counter lights, as you notice, no top cupboards, which isn't best for a pregnant woman with a bad back, let alone for a woman that just has a bad back, full stop. But we had no way of kind of lighting this area over in the kitchen of an evening. And so I picked up some of these lights off of Amazon, and I absolutely love them. They just stick up. I'd already done the other window a couple of weeks ago. Was a bit worried if they might fall down, but they don't. And so you can just grab them down when you want to take them off. But they're amazing. They change colour. They were super affordable. We have rechargeable batteries in them, and then we're good to go. So I absolutely love them. So if you're looking for anything like that, then I would go ahead. But now I'm in the boys' room. As you can see, I've just found one of our toilet air fresheners in amongst their socks and pants. I don't have a clue why or how that made it in there, but the boys always attempt to make their beds of a morning, so I just went in, tidied up, and as you can see, I've now changed clothes. So this is like my third set of clothing for the day. The set you would have seen me wearing earlier on was a set that I'd already worn the day before to the school run, so I was only in that in the house, so I don't look like I'm wearing the same clothes. And then I decided to spill my lunch down it, so couldn't wear that when I came back from the school run after getting changed, and none of my clothes fit me. So maternity clothes suggestions, or just any normal clothes that you recommend when pregnant, I'm here for it. Hit me up, let me know in the comments below. But the boys had so much washing because we had a lot of stuff to get through, and they had no coat hangers, so I had to buy a load of new coat hangers for them. So all of their clothes that get hung up were just going back in this basket time and time again. So as you can see, box of coat hangers here ready and waiting. Yeah.
I've already had like 3 bars of cherries, so I probably shouldn't go.
I don't need to put this in the fridge for you.
And that's my husband. He is a good egg. I wasn't feeling the best today, so he came home with a bar of chocolate for me. But little did he know I'd already been to the shop today and bought a multi-pack of chocolate bars. And I'd already had quite a few, as you can see. So, yeah, he is a good egg. He brought that home. But this leads me to the ultimate question that I need to ask, because me and my husband have this debate all the time. Chocolate, where do you put it? In the fridge or in the cupboard? Because I 100% keep mine in the fridge. It has to be a cold bit of chocolate. But he keeps his in the cupboard. No one likes a chocolate finger that's gone melted.
What if
And today I am after all the advice that I can get, and I have so much more things to talk to you about and tell you about and things like that as well. So first of all, I just want to say, if there is any other type of videos or content you want to see from me in the next upcoming few weeks, then let me know in the comments below, whether it's an evening cleaning routine, whether it's a deep clean of a kitchen, or whatever it is, a decorate with me video, then do let me know. I'm hoping to have an autumn decorate with me video coming out very, very soon. I'm just waiting for my husband to get all the decorations down from the loft for me. But as you would have seen, I am currently sorting out socks, and in particular school socks, and I don't know what to do. These don't have any sizes on the inside, and my boys are literally one size apart in their socks. And one of them is like the 8 to 12 size, and one of them is the 12 to whatever size, I don't know. But I can't tell them apart now. So I'm really, really struggling to pair up their socks. What do you guys do? Or should I just let them go in and just hope they fit and just pair them up however I wish? Because I'm struggling. I also wanted to add as well, I don't really fancy labelling every single pair of socks. That's just not a very me thing to do, and I think that will take absolutely forever. They have so many school socks because they're always getting them wet. The other day, Clayton Parker decided just to walk out my house, like, get your shoes on, boys, come on, we're off to school. And he just decided to walk out the house with only one shoe on. It was pouring down with rain, and his sock was absolutely soaked. I was like, what in the world are you thinking? Yeah, the joys of kids, hey?
Come on, let's get it on. Like that orphan gay song. I'm stunning, you love it. Come on, give me something. I know that you want it. Come on, give me something. The night is young and so are we. So maybe you should leave with me. The night is young and so are we, baby. The night is young, so let's have some
I'm also just popping a couple of their summer bits, like their summer uniform and a couple of their summer clothes underneath their beds as well, because the weather is kind of a bit hit and miss at the moment, so I don't want to completely box it up and put it away for next year just yet. So I have a little bit of space under there with their board games and things like that, so I'm going to store that under there just so I know that I've got it there just in case I need it. And then I'm moving on to one of our bathrooms. This one needed a good clean because this is the one that the boys come home from school, wash their hands in, make sure they're clean, and the ones that is directly opposite the playroom, so they're always in here. So this one needed a really, really good clean. But I hope you guys have enjoyed watching today's cleaning video. I have absolutely loved sharing it with you guys. I feel like I have so much to say and share with you all, so much, but I'm going to leave it there for today. I'm going to stop waffling and rambling because I understand there's been a lot, and I hope this has given you a good bit of cleaning motivation that you needed for your day-to-day to tackle whatever is on your to-do list and get stuff done. If you have any requests, like I've said, do let me know in the comments box below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed it, so I know you're liking it. It will also massively help my channel get shared with everyone that has previously watched and loves this type of content as well. And if you are new, then I would love to have you over here. I would love for you to subscribe for lots of more cleaning content, decorate with me videos, especially now Christmas is coming. There will also be pregnancy content because that's a stage of my life that I am currently in, along with finances, mindset and motivation, and so much more. So if you like that kind of stuff, then I would love to have you. But I'm going to let you enjoy the last little view of me cleaning the toilet, and have an absolutely amazing day, and thanks all for watching. Bye guys.
I'm thinking of you. I'm thinking of you. I'm thinking of you. Wondering if you're thinking about me too. Now it's too late. Now it's too late.